Another thing you can do is film yourself delivering your pitch. Okay? And the trick is when you film yourself, it doesn't have to be all of it, but film yourself, and then listen to it without the video. So like just listen to the audio. Because you'll start to hear things that you're doing with your voice, your ums, your ahs, things that you're doing. Then watch it without the audio. And that's when you'll notice, like, I keep doing this thing with my hand. I don't know why I keep doing this, but it's just happening. Okay, there was a pitch competition I saw up in Phoenix a number of years ago, and this individual, he knew his stuff backwards and forwards. Confident, charismatic, all those things. But for whatever reason, he kept doing this. And then he talked. And then he talked. And then he'd go back for like 10 minutes. And it was like, you know, there was a disconnect. His body was just, you know, on his treadmill. And so, better to have that happen when you're at home practicing and you can look at your video and go, good God, what do I keep doing? Than having someone like me who's in the crowd grab you afterwards and go, hey man, that was an amazing presentation. But do you know that you keep burning a hole in the floor here, you know, back and forth?